1983 Oldsmobile 98 Regency. She has the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. She can use floor pans, but she's in overall good shape. And she does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Interior's nice and clean. She got power windows, power locks. Mileage reads a little over 87,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. She can go for a headliner. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, cruise control, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. It's running nice and smooth. Y'all have a good one.